I did in competition and how did I feel while performing. Definitely जब मैं stage पे गई I was काफ़ी confident throughout the day. Like मेरा warm up हुआ 3 o'clock को. In that I did get my 3 shrimp, dragon dislocate, exit, वो सब हुआ था मेरा. एंड 3 o'clock को वार्म अप हुआ और हमारा परफॉर्मेंस था 9 o'clock को. सो 6 hours का गैप था. वी वर सिटिंग समटाइम स्टैंडिंग, बार बार वार्म अप कर रहे थे, लगा कि अभी आएगा अभी नहीं आएगा. सो लीविंग दैट अपार्ट ये सब का ही कंडीशन था. एंड अनदर थिंग वाज आई वाज ऑन माई फर्स्ट डे ऑफ माई पीरियड्स, which is also why I had back pain थोड़ा सा था. But again that is also not an excuse. This is going to be like all girls are going to be going through this कि competition day पे कभी ना कभी होने वाला. So that was also not a problem. I was ready to fight against it all and I was pretty confident. All I needed was I didn't want to fail. But then that is what happened on stage. So let's go through the performance from the start itself से देखते हैं. So now firstly when I was trying to grab the bar, there was a flashlight just on top of the bar which came into my eye and which is why I was not able to grab it. तो ये 2 बार हुआ. फिर मुझे किसी ने हेल्प किया ऊपर जाने के लिए. बट वार्म अप में मैं आराम से ग्रैब कर पा रही थी इवन दो मैट वाज लेस. उसके बाद मेरा 360 काफ़ी लेट हो गया which is why I failed my shrimp. Now this was a very huge disappointment for me. I didn't go back for dynamics. I thought let's cover up in statics. So मैंने handstand push-up किया, पहले bent arm press किया, handstand push-up किया और handstand push-up के बाद again I failed. So I went for V-sit and one arm elbow lever. So now when I see मेरे one arm elbow lever का भी hold नहीं आया था. So उसके बाद time बचा था तो I went for front lever and बैक लीवर जाते जाते टाइम ख़त्म हो गया. नाउ व्हाट आई रियलाइज ये मेरा कॉम्बो था 360 श्रिम्प ड्रैगन 360 डिसलोकेट में एग्जिट करना. सो दैट आई फेल्ड. फर्स्ट थिंग आई जस्ट कुड डू 1 मूव आउट ऑफ दोज 4 मूव्स एंड वो भी कॉम्बो में भी नहीं हुआ. सो कॉम्बो के भी पॉइंट्स नहीं मिलेंगे, डायनामिक्स के भी पॉइंट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. नाउ व्हाट आई फील हियर इज़ मेरा 360 फेल हुआ. उसके बाद मुझे वापस बार पे जाके एटलीस्ट ड्रैगन और डिसलोकेट कर देना चाहिए था. Maybe that dislocate gainer would have been a standing out point because किसी ने नहीं किया था. और statics भी again fail हुआ. So I cannot complain about it now कि जो हुआ वो हो गया है. So I cannot say कि I have no excuses also for that. It's just I need to practice more such that I never fail and I'm able to recover from any of those fails. Second round of mine was super strong. It was just as I wanted to be. So you can check it out. I went from straddle FL, then from there I got a hold also, press kiya, then I went to back lever press and press. Then वहाँ से I changed the grip into supine. I got the supine back lever, वहाँ पे भी press. Then I went for the 1 leg FL in supine which was also hold. I tried to pull. Then वहाँ से pull over करके I did an elbow lever. Elbow lever का hold के बाद I changed the grip into mixed grip and I'm not sure if it is called mixed grip FL but ये move किया and then press करके it was 45 seconds. So this combo was on point and which is why I think I also got the result. जब statics का result आया तब I had won it because I think my form was clear compared to her. But no harsh feelings. Really great even though she failed, but I failed worse. So I had to lose. So I knew the result. Like I didn't know the result. Basically मैंने उनका performance नहीं देखा था but I know her level. So I thought she would win easily because I failed. Had I not failed, I did have a chance. So that is one thing. But her performance was too good. And I will not say that I did not give my best. Definitely I did give my best. मुझसे जितना हो रहा था मैंने किया है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने अपना 100% नहीं दिया even when in training, even when in practicing. But I know competition stress की वजह से and I lost it a little bit जब 360 नहीं हुआ. So that is there, but leaving that all apart, जैसे मैंने बताया था, I am super excited for now what comes forward. The practice that I'll be doing now is going to be next level. Firstly, I'm going to work on every single thing that is my weakness and turn it into my strengths and get with new combos, statics, dynamics, everything. So yep, that is with the competition SWAP 6, and I'm super proud of myself to have been represented India and to be the only person, male, female, doesn't matter, to be there on the stage with the Indian flag held high. And I do feel a little bad that I failed, but never mind, we'll definitely come over it, we'll get over it, and we'll come back stronger. Let's go.